Hi friends, welcome to my Dilshi Academy. Let's say that and those sentences. That using for a singular sentences, those using for a plural sentences. That is a cup. When we convert this into plural, those are cups. That is a spoon. When we convert this into plural, those are spoons. That is a saucer. When we convert this into plural, those are saucers. That is a knife. When we convert this into plural, those are knives. That is a fruit. When we convert this into plural, those are fruits. That is a cake. When we convert this into plural, those are cakes. That is a book. When we convert this into plural, those are books. That is a pen. When we convert this into plural, those are pens. That is an eraser. When we convert this into plural, those are erasers. That is a pencil. When we convert this into plural, those are pencils. That is a dog. When we convert this into plural, those are dogs. That is a cat. When we convert this into plural, those are cats. That is a squirrel. When we convert this into plural, those are squirrels. That is a town. When we convert this into plural, those are towns. That is a hill. When we convert this into plural, those are hills. That is a river. When we convert this into plural, those are rivers. That is a shirt. When we convert this into plural, those are shirts. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe me and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.